This is for all the students who did not get the exam results as expected, be it any exam, be it the recent FMG exam or the NEET PG, NEET UG, INICT or any exam. Remember that no exam results can ever define you or it can predict your future. I remember reading a quote, Bill Gates saying that, "My friend passed in all the exams and I failed in some subjects. Now my friend is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft." I think that is the best real life example that we can have, that no exam results can predict our future. And remember that failure is not always a mistake. It simply means that that is the best that you could do under the circumstances that you had. The only thing that matters, the only thing that counts is the courage to continue, to keep trying again and again till you finally succeed. Remember, there's no one who has all the roses in their bed all the time, and we all have to struggle and work hard to taste that success, the sweet success. And remember that nobody is early or nobody is late in their success. You are exactly in your best time pace. So keep trying till you succeed, and remember that we are there by your side in your journey to help you in your exams in the best possible way that we can. So remember, together we will crack the next upcoming exam. So keep studying, keep revising and keep winning. Thank you so much.